am trying to sing a song. I don't know if I can able to pull it off. Now that I hear Mother Nature is really trying to send some bomb. But I'm trying to be myself at the same time. Keep in mind, I was a 10-year-old sleeping in the baby bed. When I become the 20, I become the 30, I become the 40. Now I'm the 44. 6 years later, I will be the 50. And then another 10 years, I become the 60. Another 10 years, I become the 70. So as I climb up, I'm going to be collecting consciousness. So let me try to sing a song. You know, do you know the song from the Bee Gees? You know? You know the song? Waking up without your show. Tragedy. When you want you can, you got no choice. Tragedy. When you use some joy, you got no choice. How to find. When you want me, to show you the way. Tragedy. When you want you can, you got no choice. You know the song? And let's try to sing a song. I changed my name. I call myself Bud Lou. People like to call me Tante Lulu. I am the wind. They like to call me Tante Lulu, and I don't like it. They try to change my name, and I don't like it. I like to be called Lulu, so I decide to call myself. I change my name, and I say to them, if you wanna call me, I have a better way for you to call me. In the only way I like to you to call to me. If it's gonna be easy for you to call me, just call me Lulu. The only way you can make me feel so sexy. Call me Lulu, just Lulu. Call me Lulu, just Lulu. Every day when I wake up, I am the wind in me. Just call me Lulu, Lulu, Lulu. I said call me Lulu, cause I am saying Lulu inside of me. Don't call me Tante Lulu. When you call me Tante Lulu, you forget I am seeing the child inside of me. I am growing every day. Well, you don't understand. Just because my face is looking old, it doesn't mean I am not still the child inside of me. So I just want you to know, I don't like when you call me Tante Lulu. So please, make me feel sexy. Call me Lulu, just Lulu. Call me Lulu, just Lulu. Just call me Lulu. At any time, anywhere, just call me Lulu, Lulu, Lulu. Just call me Lulu, Lulu, Lulu. Call me Lulu. Just call me Lulu. I am Lulu. Call me Lulu. My name is Lulu. I don't like when you call me Tante Lulu. It makes me feel so old. No, I just want you to understand. I love life, and I'm just the wind. I'm gonna go up every decade. I'm living in this world. So, let me introduce to you why you have brothers and sisters. Because it takes a generation on the inside. Lulu, Lulu, Lulu. Just call me Lulu, Lulu, Lulu. Just call me Lulu. Call me Lulu. Call me Lulu, Lulu, Lulu. Hey, Lulu, Lulu, Lulu. Hey, Lulu. Just Lulu. Call me Lulu, Lulu, Lulu.